Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download or install the video CoPilot's Twitch and get it for free. First thing you want to do, download this torrent here, ignore the ad over here. So yeah, once it's done downloading, it should probably take about maybe a couple hours, not that much time. You're going to open it, see how all this stuff, go to the Twitch folder. Don't touch this, you're going to need it, so just don't touch it. Okay, so what we're going to be working on first is just getting the presets and plugins down. You just want to basically take these presets here, this folder, and copy and paste it into the computer Adobe file, and the presets folder. And now with Twitch plugin, you're going to do the same except put it in the plugins folder in the support files. You'll be able to find those in the computer. Okay, now you want to go back to here and copy. Okay, you're going to copy and paste it also in the plugins folder with the Twitch. Otherwise, you won't be able to get well, basically it's just if you don't do it, you'll have a video copilot.net banner and a red X. So just program files, Adobe After Effects, support files, plugins right here. This is where the plugins presets is. See, I already have mine copy pasted, Twitch, and that. So it works fine. Okay, so thanks for watching this very short tutorial on how to get Twitch for free. I'll be coming out with more tutorials soon. Subscribe and like this if you liked it and if this helped. Favorite it, I don't know what you want to do. Comment if you have a problem. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.